Hi guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to restore all tabs and pages on Google Chrome. Right, so you're working on a project online and you're using Google Chrome and you have all these tabs set up and you accidentally closed them by pressing the close button here, or maybe your power source just goes off and your laptop's battery is not that strong to continue to work, so it's just shut down on you accidentally. Maybe not accidentally, but suddenly. I'm gonna show you a simple fix to that. Let's close all these pages for now. So let's assume our computer just went off, or we accidentally closed these pages, or for whatever reasons we can't find a particular page. So that's what we're doing. I'm gonna close this as well. I'm gonna go ahead and open your Chrome browser again. Alright, where are my tabs? Alright, so to get all your tabs back, what you want to do is to come to the three dots at the top right corner here. You want to go to history and you want to come to recently viewed, recently closed. Alright, so you want to come to these tabs right here and you want to go ahead and click to open them one after the other. Okay, you want to go here again. I'm gonna stop that video. You want to come here again, go to history and come here and click on this right here, and that will also open, and this will also open, and then this was the last tab I opened. Alright, so now we have all our 4 tabs right back. Alright, but there's a shortcut to this and I'm gonna show you now. So we're gonna go ahead and close the tabs again and then open your Google Chrome again. For some of us, once you just open your Google Chrome, there's going to be a pop-up here telling you to restore all pages. So you're just going to click the button restore and all your 4 tabs will be restored. If that doesn't happen for you, what you have to do is use this shortcut. You're going to hold down your Control, Shift and click on T as in take. That's tab 1, 2, 3, 4. As you can see, these were all the tabs I was working on. Alright, so if you want to open tabs you've actually closed, let's say a few weeks back, there is a way you can also go around that. All you have to do is come here, go to history, and you want to click on history. And the keyboard shortcut is Control H. Alright, so let's say we press Control H on our keyboard. As you can see, so it's the same thing. Either you press where we were, right, so either you come here and press here with your mouse, it will still bring you right here. So right here you can see this where tabs you opened today, and if you scroll down you're gonna see tabs yesterday, which was Saturday, and you keep going down and you keep seeing all the tabs you have ever opened on this Google Chrome web browser. Guys, this is how to restore tabs and pages on your Google Chrome that you have accidentally closed or suddenly closed on you. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.